budget system should, first of all, onego bene rengo mokwongo ka orango strength maono. Kiesani kirango kamoka Migori, aneno ka Migori okete 13.6 billion.
10.3 billion.
10.3 billion. To Migori, income margin is a bit higher in terms of tourism. Pesa mageyodo in terms of tourism. Ngecheni, the common trade there, kada kain manaja hotel. To ngecheni, ochopo kwa mngana mauso skuma, ochopo kwa mngana mauso ringo, ochopo kwa mngana mauso fruits. Ngecheni, that budget is a bit higher for that end. Makoponen higher belano. To nego beni improvements mag Migori as a county in terms of hospitals, new markets, education, onego beni malo kabisa. Kegin a good income. In fact, Migori Kisumo, in terms of tourism in hotel, they are getting more money than any other person. Now, Migori a lot of money. And Gimoni Ogirang how to improve Kakanam Yalo survive. Getting corruption is the problem there. You enjoy. Kikiburango Migori, Tibono and Kamokanya Tike. Despite name become a duo to Jitotini. You enjoy. So my issue this budget is not well thought. To a moment no angasimokuwa uga ni corruption obeti. To aneno kwa wadu wacho ni jopinyo nego dhibura. Until Kibaki donje lodge, jopinyo kuluo gigi kumoi. Kede ni unromre to chadra. To kane Kibaki ukelo wach mar free education. To Kibaki angilu convince abuki time wach mar health a little bit. Jopinyo chako luo what budget was. Jopinyo chako support government in terms of paying taxes. We were able to sustain CDF. Kibiro kama Siaya. Siaya, part of the problem in leadership. My MCS 1 year, to Amio Governor be the chance, Mar nominate Jokumoko. My history end in case for Roma somewhere. To end and end up can do Bedo CEC. Even Wangonogimoka Stadium. What I expected the governor to do, any onego nyiswani to Rasanga no osechulo the main contractor pesadi. Tadima no do. To the idea nenango. Kekate no nyacho makotieko that stadium. To pesa to sotiyo.
To ere kaka japiny nyalo neno ni wamako jotelo makamagi accountable. Nikech ero waneno ka sirikal mamalo ema wanyalo wacho ne omak mafuanda to counties magwa adira to ema mibadhi otimenewa pesa lal to jopiny ok ng'i mago.
Our problem in investigation agencies. Adwa chako ni kamilo ni human resource. Siaya Gavana omak nigi kwalo pesa. Manitie ja pikipiki mane ochuno go nyiewo nyaka mtoka. Nikech ne pesa donji account no ndeke in a level moro moko okonyal ka chopen ngama bende kinde kuto ne obed ka sweeper ne obed ya yuecho in that county to ne chule pesa ma is more of an expert 100,000 plus koro pesa ni no duoko ngama no ndeke part of it. This thing went up to court. Ngama no bedo compromised county secretary called EACC.